Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles directly from your Epson Stylus DX4050. This is nice and simple, and it's done with essentially a single button press on the control panel on the front of the printer. So to get the clean started, we need the printer to be on and we need the ink LED to be off. So assuming your printer looks like this, what we're going to do is hold down the ink button you can see over here for a full 3 seconds and then release. So here we go. Now, during the clean, the on LED will be flashing, as you can see here, and as you can probably hear, it's making a fair bit of noise as well. This is perfectly normal. And it will take your printer just a minute or so. So as you can see, the on light stopped flashing, so we know the clean is complete. Doing cleans like this will use up a certain amount of ink within the printer, because the printer will be physically flushing ink through the printhead to hopefully dislodge anything that's dried or congealed in there. So I'd recommend only doing this a couple times. But if you want to check the results of your print, I'd recommend doing a test page from the printer, which we have a separate video for on our channel. But that's about all there is to see. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it useful, please do leave us a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.